when I talked about sort of getting work experience, that doesn't have to be work experience in a healthcare setting, but it is helpful if it's work experience in a caring setting of some description. And that's when I talked about volunteer work can really be quite a powerful thing that's often accessible. But certainly, I mean, my work experience when I was a medical student, I went and did the bingo at the local nursing home, which wasn't medically orientated particularly, but it did count as work experience, and I did get a sense of how the nursing home operated and some of the needs the clients had. So things like that can be really powerful, but we've had people who volunteered in the charitable sector, nurseries with young children can be a bit more challenging, but certainly nursing and care homes have been really valuable experience. So it doesn't have to be your classic sitting in with a doctor. That's becoming increasingly difficult for everybody to access. So don't worry, you won't be disadvantaged if you don't have that.